thunderstorm warning for eastern Passaic County in northeastern New Jersey, Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, southern Westchester County in southeastern New York, Bronx County in southeastern New York, Rockland County in southeastern New York, until 3 p.m. At 2:09 p.m., a cluster of severe thunderstorms was located over northeast New Jersey and southern Rockland County. The strongest of these cells was located over Norwood, or over Tappan, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, this storm has a history of producing large hail. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Yonkers, Patterson, Passaic, White Plains, Hackensack, Bergenfield, Paramus, Ridgewood, Tarrytown, Dobbs Ferry, Nyack, Tappan, Riverdale, Fort Lee, and Harrison. These thunderstorms are capable of producing all types of severe weather, including large hail, damaging straight-line winds, and possibly a tornado. Move quickly to a safe shelter such as an interior room, a bathroom, closet, or basement. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is also occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Bergen and Passaic, and Rockland, New York.